Hello everyone, this is Soumya and you're watching the Global Tales. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I went to Maldives and had my family vacation in the last December of 2021. Had such a fun experience. It was a memorable time. But yes, I get a lot of questions asking me how did I manage my fitness in this trip and how I managed to travel with all my fitness and disciplined lifestyle along with being on a travel. So here in this video, I'm going to share 5 secrets to manage my fitness regime along with being on a trip. And yes, I can assure you that you are not going to miss on anything. It is not something that you're putting a pressure on yourself even being on a trip. It is something that you will enjoy your trip as well and not be guilty at the same time. First and foremost secret is mindful eating. Definitely when you are out, the first thing that suffer is your diet and you binge on unhealthy stuff, and that's very common. That is what happened with me in my previous travel also. But this time I was really very mindful, and this is a practice that I have developed for myself. I have started being mindful of choosing what I eat when I'm out as well. There are so many options available, but when you choose to binge on something that's healthier as compared to the other, it becomes really easy. Eating out can be mindful. I managed to eat healthy while eating out by tracking the dishes on Healthify Me application before ordering, based on which I choose the best and the healthiest option. Whenever I go out, I know I'm going to cheat. But how can I manage and choose the healthiest option is a task. This is how I manage my intake when I go out, by choosing a lowest calorie tasty option. And for this, as I said, I use Healthify Me app to keep a track on my calories and my nutrition intake. This helps me manage my diet even when I am out. I will be tracking the meals on the Healthify Me application before ordering. Based on the calorie count that I get, I choose the best and the healthiest meal option. Next very important hack is to track your water intake and be mindful of taking more and more water. When you're not keeping a track of water, you binge on unhealthy liquid calories. While traveling, we often forget to drink enough water throughout the day. I have set target in Healthify application for daily consumption of my water, and this application not only helps me track my water consumption but also helps me sending timely reminders notification to have a glass of water. So whenever I'm traveling, it benefits because I get to know how much water to drink every day and my water intake is in place. Third and a very important tip is to have a mindful packing. Now, whenever you pack for your trip, make sure you add some very healthy snacks to it so that when you're traveling for a longer distances, you can grab on them quickly, you don't feel hungry, and at the very same time, you don't binge on something that's unhealthy. So yes, I pack a good amount of healthy nuts and fruits along with me. Next is walking more always helps. So when you are out, when you walk for long distances, and instead of taking unwanted transports, you can definitely save a lot of money and keep your health in check as well. It really helps you compensate for the unhealthy eating that you have done for your trip, and along with that, you are active, you're fit, you are able to explore more, you're able to see a thing around you, you're able to get to that place more, and that really always helps. So yes, definitely if you are on your trip, travel more, walk more instead of taking transports to short distances. Of course, if you are going for a longer distance, you will have to take a transport, but if you are someone who can walk and take for some small distances, then definitely go for it, because that really helps in keeping up a fitness regime as well as being able to compensate for the unhealthy binge and unwanted snacking that happened during the trip. Next up is the exercises in the morning. When you are done with your exercise in the morning, it helps in 2 ways. Firstly, you are completely done for the day and you need not to think about anything else while you are traveling throughout the day. So you are done with the workout in the first thing in the morning itself. And secondly, it will really help you be active active throughout the day. I have seen people who become lazy and lethargic during the trip just because they get this attitude of just being comfortable, just letting it go during the trip. But if you want to enjoy your trip to the fullest, you need to be more active, you need to be out there. So yes, definitely when you are done with the workout in the first thing, as a first thing in the morning itself, that really helps. Definitely it will help you be active throughout the day, be guilt free throughout the day, and you can also enjoy because you know that you are done for the workout for the day, and you will be less bloated, you feel light, and you will enjoy your trip more. That is always helped me and will always help you as well. So try it for yourself. These are small tips that I think will really help you in your travel, will really help you staying fit and healthy even if you are out, and that can really bring a difference to your life. So yes, I hope you will find this video useful. If you did, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon below, and yeah, bye bye, stay fit, stay happy.